What's going on YouTube? Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to thin out hair, especially if it's very, very thick. All right, so let's get started. So if you have a haircut like this, where it's a lot of hair basically right in the front here, and it's very, very thick, the best thing I can do is thin it out, and I would be using a thinning shear right in through here. Now, what you don't want to do is go down to the scalp like this and remove too much hair, because you're going to create a very, very thin area on the scalp, and you don't want to look like you're losing your hair. But instead what you want to do is, I would say, remove the weight from the mid shaft of the hair to the ends to give it a bit more texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hair and twist it like this, and then I'm going to chimp it to it like that. So probably 2 chomps and we should be good. The reason I'm taking the hair and twisting it is because so I don't take off too much hair from one section, all right? Because sometimes if you take a really small section, you might end up cutting way too much. So I think by doing this, what it does is it bunches the hair together and removes a lot of the weight where it's absolutely necessary, as compared to, you know, accidentally cutting too much. So the key to this really is more towards the mid shaft to the ends. So when you shake the hair a bit, it's got a lot more texture, but it also removes some of that excess weight. Well, that was pretty much it. I want this to be a short tutorial, short video. Again, I would suggest doing this on dry hair. This is great for someone who's got really thick hair like this and just wants a little more texture. You can do this yourself. Make sure the hair is fully dry. Doesn't matter if there's product in your hair. Yes, you will see a bunch of hair falling out from the haircut because you're removing a lot of hair. So don't be shocked if you see hair falling out all over the place. It's obviously because you just cut it. So let me know if you found this helpful. Let me know if you tried this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.